In order to go ahead and create out a new Jotboard and then give it a name, you need to go around over here onto the new board section from the home page. Simply go ahead and click right here, and then a new board will be created for you. So in order to give it a proper name, over here where you see Untitled Board, simply click right there and you have an option to rename the board. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube board right here just like this, for example, and press save. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that the board will be named. So now I can actually go around onto the home page. So I can go around over here and click, let's say for example, and you simply have this board right here. There's other existing board as you can see right here, like Untitled Board. You can go around over here and then rename the board as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to rename this to Sample Board and click Save, just like this. And in order to access this board, I can simply go ahead and click, and then what happens is that that particular board will be opened as well. So that is how you can go ahead and create new board, rename them, and open existing board inside of Jotboards. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe